Right, welcome back, What's going on, YouTube? I know I've been gone for almost a year now. Boy, that sounds bad. But yeah, nah, definitely back for good this time. The videos are gonna be consistent, definitely. I know last time I said I was gonna be coming in with the videos and stuff, but you know, a lot's happened over the last year. But yeah, back now. Got a few videos in mind ready, got 2 filmed already, this video included. You could even see so much happened. I mean, look, the background's different now compared to the last couple of videos on my channel already. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be unboxing and installing the Hey Light Smart light strips. Now, I just done a bit of research and I found these. I can't remember how I found these, but I'll put the link and everything in the description. Their Instagram and everything as well. They're very reasonable price as well with their stuff, and they have not just light strips, they got other smart devices as well. So this video I'm gonna be putting it behind my bed frame. I will probably put some behind my TV eventually as well. You can literally put it anywhere you want, put the light strips anywhere, but I thought it'd be quite cool to have some light strips behind my TV. Sorry, I mean behind my bed frame. We'll do the TV as well, but I'm just gonna do the bed frame first, so I thought that'd be quite cool. So I'm just gonna put them up, show you what's in the box, how you set it up on your phone, because it's app controlled. It's not, because I know there's some light strips, especially the ones that you get off like Amazon and stuff, a lot of them is remote controlled, but this one is app control, which I kind of prefer more than the remote. But anyways, here's the video of this unboxing slash review. I'll say this one's more of an unboxing. If anything, I might make a part 2 just to show you how, tell you how I've found it so far anyway, because I've had it for about 2-3 months now. Yeah, about 2-3 months now. So yeah, I'll definitely give you guys a video on how I find it anyway. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. Also as well, remember, comment what else you would like me to review. So yeah, you get a little booklet. I'm your smart home welcome guide. So basically just showing you how to set it up, because with Hey there's a few different products they do, and that's one of the things that drew me to them. The fact how you could have multiple different devices from them on the same app, with rather than these other light strips that you see on Amazon and these places where they're not really that flexible in terms of control, because a lot of them have remotes and stuff and it can get a bit, you know, complicated. Just imagine if you have like 3 different lighting systems in your room and you was to get one of those sort of strips. You know, you would have one app or two apps for one, 2 remotes for one. You know, it's just it'll just get a bit too much. So that's the reason why I saw this and I was like, yeah, this is it. Is because, you know, you have Philips. They do light strips as well. They have a little range of them and a couple others that's not coming to mind right now. But I'm not gonna lie, the Philips ones were pricey, much more pricey. Probably the priciest ones I've seen with any light strips out there currently right now. But it's Philips, you can't take that away from them. These are much more affordable, but have good reviews and ratings as well, so you never know. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's go one hand. Yeah. Okay, so looks like this is the strip that's rolled up, and the power cable, and I think this is what one end of the strip goes in, I suppose, and then this obviously connects to the power cord. This strip that I ordered from them is a 3 meters. You can get them in 5 meters from Hey as well. As what I'm gonna do with this one I didn't need it that long anyway. You'll see at the end of the video anyway what I'm using them for. I'm gonna also get another 3 meters, because I have another place in the room where I'm gonna put these as well. And this is what I mean of it being on the same app, so I'll be able to control where I'm gonna place these and where I'm gonna place the other ones. So very handy. That's what I really like about it. Not a lot of these light strips that you see online by these various companies, especially the ones on Amazon, they don't all have multiple devices on one app. Only a few, and the most that you see is like the more higher brands like the Philips, for instance. So I'm just gonna have a read through the book now and see how you set it up properly, download the app and all of that. Then I'm gonna put it on the surface where I want it to be, and I'll show you guys how that looks like at the end, and give you a rundown how you use it on the app, changing the color, the brightness, whatsoever. Right, so if you got an iPhone, you go to the App Store. If you got an Android, you go to the Google Play. So you type in Hey, it should come up. I already have it downloaded, so that's why it's asked me to update it. So once you downloaded it, it will start searching for the Hey device that you have. Fast forward a bit, it's found it. Then I'll just click on it, which then brings me on to the color scheme part. As you can see, there's a different array of colors to choose from. You just hold onto the circle and drag to which color you want. There's also another bit where you can choose just white itself, just a plain white color. You then got the music section where it's supposedly supposed to react to whatever music's playing, or voice even. So that's that. So I kind of went a little bit ahead of myself and took out what was in the box already. Usually I would have done the open up the box and, you know, the traditional unboxing. It's like a small kind of box, well, sort of, kind of bigger than what I thought would have been anyway. Because I mean, look at the size of this. Because on the website you do see it, you know, you do see it shown in the box like this. So I was thinking, yeah, that'll just fit through the letterbox, but nah, this big thing came. DPD delivered it, so I'm guessing that's what Hey use. That's their courier, and also it can just depend on where in the UK you are as well. So that could be a thing too. All right, what is happening, guys? So I just thought I'd just fast forward to later on in the day, where I can show you the different lights and how exactly I change it and how you change it on the app. Well, night times is better. I'll just dim the light a little bit so you'll be able to see. So let me just show you that. Okay, so the first thing you do is switch on your LED strip. Click on it. Then it'll just give you the different colors you can choose, shown on this circle here. So right now I'm on purple, and you simply just drag it along. You can also adjust the brightness as well, pulling the top bar back and forth, so from 100 down to 1%, right the way back up to 100. So this is 50%, and then this is 100. I don't know if it picks it up too well on the camera, but yeah, just to give you an idea. And as you can see in the recording as well as I do on my app on the phone, there's also a music scene here where it's supposedly supposed to react to music, as they said in the in its description, and I believe voice as well, because even when I'm talking now it's doing this. So if I stop talking, let's see, testing. Yeah, I think it does pick up voice. Then you got a scenery one with all the different modes. So you got night, read, working, leisure, soft, colorful. So yeah. And you got white, which is just white. I think it's just one feature by itself, and same thing again. You can adjust the brightness on this. So 1 to 100. For me, I mainly use the purple or blue. I switch to purple and blue mostly. I don't really use the green, but hey, there's a color for everybody, I suppose. But for me, the purple's mostly the chilled one. So I kind of went a little bit ahead of myself and took out what was in the box already. Usually I would have done the open up the box and, you know, the traditional unboxing. It's like a small kind of box, well, sort of, kind of bigger than what I thought would have been anyway, because I mean, look at the size of this. Because on the website you do see it, you know, you do see it shown in the box like this. So I was thinking, yeah, that'll just fit through the letterbox, but nah, this big thing came. DPD delivered it, so I'm guessing that's what Hey use, that's their courier. And also it can just depend on where in the UK you are as well, so that could be a thing too. Alright then, yeah, so that brings us to the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully this gave you a bit of insight into these LED light strips. Let me know in the comments if this is something you think you'll consider to buy or to try out. And also as well, as always, leave a like, subscribe if you're new and just passing through and just came across this channel. And also as well, comment for anything else you guys want me to review. As always, till next time.